COVID-19. It's a con. CONVID-19. Me and you, honks know the truth. Honkington has it all. The documents, the voice recordings. Honkington has the plans. 19 country leaders in the lab. They're already globalized. They're satanic. This is how they spread it. They send you this booklet. They want proof? Honk gets it. Honk is also a man of science. They take their fears and turn them into your fears. Fear Julian Honkington, they say. Fear Asians, they say. Fear bats, they say. But bats are the cure. They tell you you can leave your house in 2 months' time. See your loved ones. But real honks know the truth. True honks are never leaving again. Don't let them in. They have poisoned your family's minds. And they want to poison your body. And turn you into parasitic vampires for those horny cyclopses and those pedophilic robots. They got us poisoned in body. We touched it.
We touched it.
We got it. We got it. Honk has all you need so you don't leave. Introducing the latest life-saving, back-catching technology. The sonar vacuum fan. The only thing you're catching is the cure. Made from the finest carbon fiber on the market. Honkington has spent years designing this with the top back-catching specialists. Get it today before they get you tomorrow.
Seamus! Let me in! Come home to me!
Me and you, Seamus. Only honks know the truth.
I know what I have to do, Master. But I don't know if I have the strength to do it.
Do it. Open the box. They say you are weak, you pathetic freak. You unlovable waste of bog roll. You're no better than those mindless lizlets. Look at you now. You have the tools, the strength. Honk has given you the power. True honks are never leaving again. Now come, Seamus. Catch that bat.
I did it wrong.
You worthless pile of puss.
I failed you.
You meaningless comrade. Daddy left. Now Mammy won't take you back. You sack of bat shit.
No.
Honk if you love me. Honk if you love me. Honk if you love me. Honk if you love me.